Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to look at our Lala toy collection. Look at all the yellow Lalas. Our first Lalas are the hard plastic figures that go with the Tubbytronic Superdome. Her arms go up in the air and she can move her legs down so she can sit. This Lala has a few scratches on her. She's quite old. We have 3 soft plastic Lalas that lie down. Maybe she's laying on the grass and looking up at the sky. This Lala comes with a Mega Block set. She has a hole in the bottom so that she can attach to the soft mat. Here's the Teletubbies table. Lala gets a seat on the yellow piece. This little Lala has a round bottom. She rocks back and forth. She belongs to the bath set. And here's a soft Lala. She has a vinyl tummy with a picture of a ball and a clip so you can attach her to your backpack. She's very, very soft. Our huge Lala doll lights up when you push her tummy. She has a very soft face, and her eyes are yellow, orange, and red. This Lala is a part of the Teletubby stacking dolls. It sounds like something's inside. Let's open up and see what it is. It's Lala's special teacup. She loves drinking tea. I love drinking tea too, and this is my special tea mug. I got it for Christmas. I'm having some green tea. We just got this Lala in the mail the other day. Let's push the button. And finally we have our Play-Doh mold Lala. Let's make a Lala shape with yellow Play-Doh. We'll squish the Play-Doh down into the mold with our fingers. And we'll remove the extra Play-Doh along the edges. And take her out, and there she is. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Oh, and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Here are the Teletubbies. Tinky Winky, are you having a nap? Ah, Tinky Winky was just looking up at the sky. Did you see some clouds, Tinky Winky? Yes. And you saw one in the shape of what? Pineapple. This looks like a pineapple, doesn't it, Tiny fans? Oh, let's put you here, Tinky Winky. Look at the blue flower on the pineapple. It spins. And Lala, the kitty, likes to watch the flower spin. Let's go smell some flowers, Teletubbies. Flowers are so beautiful, and the bees need the flowers to spread and collect pollen. Let's go to the garden and smell the flowers. This beautiful pink one. And these little tiny purple flowers. These white ones have a little yellow center. This is called an orchid. Aren't they pretty? And this is called a hibiscus. Oh, those flowers were so pretty. Let's turn on the pineapple. The pineapple lights up and talks. There's a green button that has 1, 2, 3. Oh! Lala, the kitty, is trying to get the little goodies out of the back of the pineapple.
Party like a pineapple.
Oh! A pineapple party? Let's see what Lala was trying to get out of the pineapple. It's a little sunshine rattle. Oh, I love the sunshine. I especially like to go out in the morning, sip my tea, and sit in the sun. Let's see what else there is.
Just fixing my crown.
It's a palm tree. And palm trees, well, some grow coconuts. Let's see how we husk a coconut. Here are the coconuts and also the seeds. You can see a new tree growing off the one coconut. The brown ones are ripe. It's a very hard husk, so there needs to be a sharp tool to slowly peel it off. Inside the hard shell is the actual coconut, and the husk can be used in our compost. Feels a little bit rough. And there is the coconut water. We love to drink coconut water. Now we can feel the meat of the coconut and some coconut oil. Let's give it a smell. What do we have next? A slice of watermelon. I love watermelon. And it's a rattle too. Is this watermelon happy or sad? And there's one last treasure inside the pineapple. What is it? It's a flamingo. And flamingos get their pink color from the shrimp they eat. And they like to stand on one leg. Let's go look at a flamingo. Let's put all of our treasures back. Thanks for coming and learning with us today. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today it's nap time for Tinky, Winky, and Lala. They have a beautiful new bed with a sunshine and rainbow colors all over and a nice fluffy pillow. There's even a zipper on the side. So it's like you're camping, Lala and Tinky Winky. A sleeping bag. Let's get you all tucked in and I can read you a story. I have something very special today. It's a brand new book. The story is called if you ever see a disco fish. And it's like those mermaid pillows that you see, where the sequins move in a different direction and they change color. And every page has a different color. If you ever see a disco fish, then don't give her a wink. You'll make her feel embarrassed, and her scales will all turn pink. If you ever see a disco fish, please don't give him a treat. He turns a sickly green each time he tries to dance and eat. If you ever see a disco fish, then don't play hide and seek. She'll make her scales turn ocean blue and won't be seen for weeks. If you ever see a disco fish, then try not to be rude. He'll turn an angry shade of green and swim off in a mood. But if you ever see a disco fish, there's one thing you should do. Put on all of your favorite songs, and he will dance with you. And now the story is over, and it's time to close your eyes. Good night, Lala. Good night, Tinky Winky. And good night, Kitty. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Ayo, it's fun day with the Teletubbies. Play school, Ferris wheel and merry-go-round. We even have a slide for the Teletubbies. How many Teletubbies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many spots on the merry-go-round? We have a lion, a swan, and a blue pony. There are only 3 spots. What are we going to do, Teletubbies? Dipsy and Po are going to go together first, while Tinky Winky and Lala watch, and then they'll have a turn together so that nobody's riding alone. Dipsy, which one do you want to ride? Roar! Dipsy loves lions. And Po loves the beautiful swans. Hang on. Whoa! Dipsy knocked over Tinky Winky and Lala. Oopsies! They're okay because they're only toys. Thank you for waiting so patiently, Lala and Tinky Winky. Lala is also going to ride the beautiful white swan. Tinky Winky would like to ride the blue pony. Hang on. Whee! It's time to go down the slide. Oh, look, there's a little bug climbing on the slide. Lala. Whee! Tinky Winky. Woo! Po is turn. Whoa! Last but not least, Dipsy. Woo! Bye-bye, Teletubbies. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Kitty and I are opening a new toy from the Teletubbies. It's Lala, and she's called Lullaby Lala. So she sings songs when we push her tummy, and it lights up. Have a look. Let's get Lala out of the box. Lala's face is soft and fuzzy, and her eyes are a beautiful orange, red, and yellow. And look at the top of her head. It's very soft as well. Lala wants to have a tea party with Kitty. Here's your cup, Lala. It's yellow just like you. That's not for you, Kitty. Don't worry. We'll fill yours full of milk. Here you go. You get Tinky Winky's cup. Oh, Kitty, here's Puppy. Come back, Kitty, and have your milk. Let's pour some tea for Lala with the Teletubbies teapot. We need to turn it on. Your tea is ready to drink, Lala. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We love Playmobil. So today we're going to open a Christmas Playmobil advent calendar with a real working electric lantern. And we have our friend Lala to help us open and look for the numbers. There are doors numbered 1 to 24 on the front of the box. And if we turn it around, there's a Christmas scene with a snowman and reindeer. Let's get started and look for number 1. There it is in the bottom right-hand corner. It's one of Santa's elves. He has a green shirt and a red hat. Santa needs lots of help in the North Pole. Now let's look for number 2. Let me know when you see it. There it is. Number 2 has tools for the elves to build the toys. We have a monkey wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a special type of hammer. I don't know the exact name. And then we have a saw with some sharp teeth, a power drill, and another type of wrench. Okay, now we're looking for number 3. Let me know when you see it. We got a little push bike, but we have a missing wheel. Oh dear. The Playmobil factory forgot to put the second wheel in the bag. Oh well, the elves will have to repair it. Let's look for number 4. Ooh, number 4 is a big door. That rhymes. It looks like a table. This must be the workbench where the elves build the toys. Number 5. Oh, it's caught in the door. There we go. We have a toolbox for our tools and a clamp that attaches to the workbench. Number 6, another big door to open. I think we already got Santa Claus. I thought he would be in the last door of 24. He has his list of things to do and his feather fountain pens. Santa is very busy. Number 7. Do you see it? Right at the top. A desk for Santa. Number 8. And here is the lantern. Let's remove this little piece so the battery will work. And push the button. And it actually works. Number 9. Do you see it? Oh, different colors of paints. We have yellow, blue, green, and red, and many paintbrushes so the elves can paint the toys. What's your favorite color? Number 10. Wow, look at how many pieces are in this bag. It's a little green and red choo-choo train. It's so cute. It's the perfect size for Lala to play with. Number 11. It's a silver slide, but it didn't come with a stand. Number 12. We're halfway there. We have a little basket with a soccer ball and, oops, a brown teddy bear. 13. Another little elf, and she's dressed in pink and purple. Number 14. A toy, a little spotted rocking horse. 15. It's a gift box with a little doll inside, and the doll has a little white stand. Do you see number 16? It's a big, tall door on the left-hand side. Oh, we have one of Santa's reindeer. And it looks like its head can move up and down. $17. Right at the top. It's a little bucket with a carrot and fresh hay for the reindeer. 18. Another elf, and he's wearing overalls. Number 19. A little toy sailboat. Number 20. There's one more piece inside the door. I put it together and it's a little yellow wagon that Lala can pull. Do you know what number we're on? 21. Right at the top. musical instruments, a rainbow xylophone, a ukulele, and a recorder to play. Number 22. It's Santa's sack with a horse to ride and a little pink doll. Number 23. We're almost there. It's another gift box and a little star. But I wonder what the star is for. Maybe if we open number 24, we'll find out. Do you know what it is? I put it together and it's Santa's sleigh. And the star goes right at the front. Every Playmobil calendar comes with a cardboard playset. There's an indoors and outdoors. Let's set up all of our toys. Santa's workshop is in full swing, and the elves are very busy preparing for Christmas. And Lala is going to help them too. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.